Well, this is just a little blip. I did another overnighter. Well, started to do an overnighter with a Spirit out here in the RV, and without the pen. And she was doing okay. She was roaming around and finding her place to sleep, but I just couldn't get comfortable with the setup I had. I had put the small rubber yoga mat underneath, and that didn't seem to do any good. And then the dog would lie on one side or the other of the spread out super blanket or super sleeping bag, and there'd be like a weight on it, and I couldn't roll over or do anything inside the sleeping bag. So once again, every time I doubt my previous decisions and choices, I try something different. I always go back to them. You know, I've got to learn to quit doubting myself. Once I put so much energy and time into deciding what I want and deciding what works best for me, if I go back on those decisions, I'm just screwing myself, you know. So I came out here this morning. The dogs are in the back playing, and took out the big blanket. I tried folding it on top of itself, you know, like two single ones on top, but that's just like wrestling with an alligator, something that huge in such a small compartment. So I'm going to go back to what I had before, what I had learned to do before, and that is to just take the super sleeping bag, unzip it, and zip it in the two single ones, and just use one of them. And that way I have my space in my sleeping bag, and the dogs have open spaces on each side of me, and I can move around, and they're not laying on me like an anchor. So yeah, I don't know why I keep trying different things when I should just stick what I decide, what I know and learn works best for me. Sometimes my mind is just too damn restless. So that's it. Hoping to get out of this place here next month or this month, whatever month it is. When you're retired, every day's the same day. It's like Groundhog Day. It's up to you to make it different. So with that being said, let me go into the video. And this is where I spend an evening out here in the RV with Ember. So, here we go. Well, we're back out here briefly. I just want to show you guys how I got my sleeping situation put back to what it was. The way I found works best for me for a weekend or multiple weeks or a multiple month-long trip. I got my sleeping bag here. I took the huge queen size super sleeping bag, unzipped it, and I zipped each half together. So I got one half that's for winter. It's got the little heavier padding inside all the way around. And then the other one's real light, flimsy, and that's for summer. But I'm going to take the winter one because I'd rather be warmer than colder. So anyway, I got the single one here. And you can see it goes across diagonally. Then I've got a dog bed up here in this corner and a little pillow for them to kind of bump up against, and that gives them that room there to stretch out and just go to sleep. I got the same amount of space over here, right down here in this corner, as I do over there for that dog. So this is how it was with my last two dogs, and it worked out great. What I put underneath this, because I've got the overhead shelf I put in ages ago, that works fantastic with me. You can get these newer ones that are all solid, and they give you, instead of this much space, you got that much space, and they're $500 frickin' bucks. this thing I put together cost me, I don't know, I think 40. So functionality above appearance is what's important to me. So anyway, I got my sleeping bag here, and underneath it, I think you can see, I got one blanket, and underneath I got another blanket. And these are those real fluffy, want to wrap it around you and just go, that feels good, blankets. And they're, I'm not sure what they call them, but they're real soft, thick. And I put those two down, plus my single sleeping bag, the winter side that has more filling in it, top and bottom. And I laid on it, and oh, that was so nice. It was like sleeping in my bed at home. I'm going to be bringing out Ember for a night, and then I'll come back out with Spirit with the new setup, and then I'll do Ember one more time. Then I'll bring both dogs out for 2 nights in this, and if things go well and they settle in, there's no problem, we're going to roll the dice and take off, go somewhere out in the National Forest campground for 2-3 nights. So right now, let's get back and actually start this video this time, okay? Yeah, well, we're back. Change of plans. I'm not going to bring out Ember and then do them together. I'm wasting time doing them individually. Ember's older. I know her a little better, and I think I can bring both dogs out this time and do it with no problem. So we're just skipping the individual one with Ember. I'm going to bring both dogs out. Now I got my sleeping situation taken care of, and the dog bed's here okay. And we're just going to jump to both dogs and do some nights out here. And I don't want to miss a chance of when good weather does come that I don't have plans and reservations at some campsite nearby. So I want to try to figure things out, have plans made, but you also have to be extremely flexible. So, okay, once again, with both dogs out here, let's start the video this time for sure, okay? Hang in there, guys. This ought to be interesting. Stay. Well, you know what? I'm just going to forget this. If I add the video I've made onto this, it's going to be way too long for everybody. They won't pay attention. They won't watch it. So, sorry, but this is how things go sometimes when you're trying to do this by yourself. Well, I hope it's interesting, if nothing else. So, Ember, what the hell are you doing? Okay, well, the next film will be of the girls and I all together in here. I'm just skipping the individual one with the Ember and doing Spirit again individually. I think they're old enough and they seem to be well enough behaved that I'm just going to bring them both out, and we're just going to make it as one big family out here in the RV, boondocking in the driveway. And then if everything goes well and they don't cause any damage or any trouble or anything out here, and everybody's mellow and we get through the night and in the morning, then I'm gonna make some reservations, and we're gonna get out of here and go do something finally. So sorry this is so goofed up, but that's the way life is sometimes, you know. So watch for the follow-up. It'll come soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys will return and see the actual video of all three of us out here camping in the driveway before we head out into the boonies. So, like the girls and I always say, we wish you happy trails and woof, woof. I don't know what the hell she's looking for. Take care.